Hello friends, I am Dr. Harbans Lal. As you know, I am contesting for the post of Vice President AIUS. During the course of my conversation with my friends and supporters, I came across and realized many of our friends are under tremendous pressure and stress. I have been practicing yoga for last few years under the able guidance of my guru Sri Sunil Manji. I will like to share some of the practices which helped me during this pandemic and I could keep myself stress free. I am going to divide this session into 5 parts. First, oxygenate your body. Second, stretching to relax your muscle and joints. Third, warm up your heart and muscles. Fourth, the main session, stress buster exercises. Fifth and last, relax your body and mind. Now, watch the first session, oxygenate your body. Inhale and take your hands up and stretch your arms and chest. Slowly exhale and come in Namaskar Mudra. Repeat the procedure once again. You need to do 5 to 10 repetitions of this exercise. During this exercise, your feet should be shoulder width apart. There should be equal weight on both the legs. Eyes should be preferably closed. Now we go to the second part of this session, stretching to relax our muscles and joints. Inhale and extend your neck. Exhale and flex your neck. Inhale and come to the center. Now exhale and turn towards the right. Inhale and come to the center. Exhale and turn towards the left. Inhale and come towards the center. Now exhale and bend right. Inhale and come to the center. Exhale and bend left. Now inhale and come to the center. Start clockwise rotation. Exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up. Now do anti-clockwise rotation. Exhale down, inhale up. We need to repeat all these exercises 5 to 10 times at least. Now we will relax our spine, first upper spine, then lower spine. Again we will do it with breath awareness. Inhale at the center, exhale sideways. Inhale at the center, exhale sideways. Now the lower spine. Inhale at the center, exhale sideways. We need to do 10 to 20 repetitions of this exercises. Now we will stretch our side again with the breath awareness. Inhale at the center and exhale sideways. Inhale at the center and exhale sideways. Inhale, bend backwards, exhale, bend forwards. Inhale, bend backwards, exhale, bend forward. Repeat this 5 to 10 times. Now we are going to warm up our heart and muscles by doing a rope jumping. Keep on jumping at least 20 to 30 times. Stand erect with your eyes closed, and now you imagine there is a wood of log lying below and you have got axe in your hand. You are going to cut this log into the pieces. Now inhale and go up and then come down with the full force and strike the log and create a loud sound of ha every time you do it. Do these repetitions at least 20 to 30 times depending upon your capacity. Now we will cool down our body slightly by jumping around and relaxing. We need to do 3 rounds of stress buster exercises and should relax in between. Now we come to the last part of this session to relax our mind and body. We do the chanting of Om, or you can use any other word ending with M. like home, roam, yum, hum. Take a deep breath in, focus between the eyebrows onto your forehead, what we call as eyebrow central, and keep on humming till the end, and you should feel the vibration at your forehead. Rub your palms together, generate heat, apply on your eyes, and slowly and gently open your eyes with a smile on your face. So, dear friends, after this 5 to 10 minutes of session, you should feel totally rejuvenated, relaxed, and happy. To de-stress ourselves, we need to sweat out, and we need to keep our mind totally away from any thoughts and feeling. When you keep your eyes closed and concentrate on your breathing, and you try to focus on the muscles or joints which are involved in physical activity, it requires a lot of concentration. And when you concentrate so hard, no other feeling and thoughts crosses your mind. Thus, it relaxes your body and mind completely. Thanks for watching.